The 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled 6-speed automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control, and it's priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, front air conditioning, adjustable headrests, auto headlight on and off, side airbag system, trip odometer, airbag deactivation, vehicle stability assist, traction control system. Come see the car for yourself.